play a game. Little Katie has a question. She's looking at her shoes. Time to go to the playground now. What should Katie choose? Do you wanna play outside? Yes, no, maybe so. Swing up on the playground slide. Yes, no, maybe so. It's okay, take your time. Tommy sees a cookie jar up high upon the shelf. Should he ask his mom for one, or keep it to himself? Would you like a tasty treat? Yes, no, maybe so. Something yummy, something sweet. Yes, no, maybe so. Think about it, that's alright. Sometimes answers come so quick. Sometimes we need to think. Every choice you make is fine. Just say what you really feel. Little Alex wants to share their brand new favorite toy, but they're feeling kind of shy, still learning to enjoy. Want to share and make new friends? Yes, no, maybe so. Let the fun time never end. Yes, no, maybe so. Whatever you choose is right. Making choices every day. Yes, no, maybe. That's okay. A la la la, I do, hey.